Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sioux Center, local and long-distance movers near me. For moving within Sioux Center, local movers are your trusted partners. They understand the city's unique layout, traffic patterns, and regulations, ensuring a smooth and efficient move. From packing and loading to transportation and unloading, Sioux Center local TM movers will handle every detail professionally and carefully. Are you planning a long-distance move from Sioux City? Sioux Center long-distance 3 movers can ensure a smooth and secure relocation. Moving out of Sioux Center comes with unique considerations and challenges compared to local moves. It's crucial to have the expertise of professional movers who understand these differences and can provide the necessary support. When it comes to long-distance moves, the distance and duration of the journey play a significant role. Sioux Center long-distance 3 movers have the experience and resources to handle these logistics efficiently. We prioritize the safety of your belongings during transportation, using secure packaging materials and employing proper handling techniques to prevent any damage. Moreover, we value the importance of pricing that fits your budget. We work closely with you to create a pricing plan that helps you understand the expenses. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sioux Center moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.